Hello YouTube. Today I'm going to show you how to restore your headlights. Plastic headlights to be specific. When they get all hazed over and you can't see the light coming out of them anymore, I'm going to teach you how to restore them. So first I got this cheap little plastic foam sander. It goes in a drill. Mine's broken, it's cracked. Still works. But you want to put that in your drill. And this is like an 800 grit sandpaper to like rough up the surface like that. So we got 800 grit sandpaper to start out with, right on there, as you can see. So I take this and I dip it in a little bit of water, soapy water, and we're just gonna go. The secret is nice steady motion. Don't go too fast. Make sure you're getting nice full contact, and make sure you don't scuff your car paint on the side of it going around the edge. And just go over this a couple times. Alright, now that you have that, just Velcro. We're going to move on to a 3000 grit pad. So here we have a 3000 grit pad. Put that on just like that. Make sure it's wet. Alright, and if I can do this with a broken, crappy headlight restorer, so can you. Easy peasy. Now we're gonna move on to the this is just a foam pad, and you can put polishing compound in this. So what we're gonna do is wet the sponge, make sure it's nice and wet, put it on there, and now you got a sponge. It comes with this stuff right here, polishing compound. There we go, now I got some compound on there. We'll polish it up. And that's it. Give that a rinse. And just like that, your headlight is restored. Cool. Here's the before shot and after.